山治美兰打前地 Largo Sanchez Miranda山治美兰打前地 Sanchez Miranda Square. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Sanchez Miranda, you once went here. Meandering Taipa village, a street you once walked, a place you once called your own. Take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Oh, look what you have become. You got a beautiful street and a beautiful square. You got plenty of people who wanna go there. Sanchez Miranda, you once went here. Meandering Taipa village, a street you once walked, a place you once called your own. Take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take me, take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take me, take me, take me, take me. Show me, show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me, show me, show me, show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me, show me, show me. Remind me, remind me, remind me. All good people go to heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, we're in Macau. This is Largo, Sanchez, Miranda. So they're getting set up for some K-pop event that's going on here. So there's a ton of people all coming to get in line for this photo right here. So we're gonna focus on this particular street, and we'll give you a little bit of context before we do. Just to give you, just so you know where we're at Taipa Village. So there's all these kind of beautiful, colorful buildings right here. These are all pastel green, blue. That's our target street. This is the Mercado, the marketplace. And then that's also part of Taipa as well. And then Taipa Central, kind of like downtown Taipa is over there. But this little village is kind of like low density with some cool rooftops, different stuff like that. So we're gonna target this street, so stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is gonna be our target street right here. We're gonna be walking down that street. This is the Largo. And then just to give you some context, this whole area is called Taipa Village. So this is, you know, you can actually scan it if you want to find out more about it. And there's kind of this pastel blue, and there's a lot of K-pop events, and they're in the casinos not too far away. So you can see lots of people with promotional stuff all around here. So that might add a little context to everything as well. There's Dumbo. That's Macanese cuisine right there. So it's kind of the fusion of Portuguese and Chinese. And then this is going to be our target street right here. So that's the name of it, Largo. Right there. And then I think that they're all getting photos of this poster. So we're going to try to go through there. We'll let her take a picture first. It goes all the way down. So yeah, I think it's all... And I think that they're also connected to this shop right here. Let me just see. So yeah, I think all of that is connected, so you can see these, and you can see this as well. And so everybody's standing in this line for this photo because of these K-pop events. 27th birthday. Okay, so let's navigate through this a little bit. And then this will give you a little bit more context. So everybody is in this line, and there's also a mercado right here. So I'm gonna just take a look at that real quick. So you can see that. And I'm just gonna go in briefly, but this is now kind of a little tourist spot. So you can see they have meat, vegetables. This is all cleaned up, and now there's a restaurant up on top as well. So and there's also like kind of touristic stuff in here. So you can see all of that. And let's just go through it since it's kind of part of the street, and then we'll come back to where that crowd is at. So our target street is Largo Sanchez. And then this is right on the street, basically. And then we come out here. This is the entrance to Taipa village. So that's going to be kind of iconic images, this one in particular, both of these. So people will take pictures, especially in the evening when the lights come on. It looks really nice. And then this is that little mercado that we just went in. There's actually a rooftop up there. So you could actually look down on some of this from that vantage point. I have filmed up there before. Okay, let me just see here. And then this is part of that plaza right here where all the people are at. I think this might be part of the plaza as well. That nice tree right there. And you got the pastel colors. So Taipa village has a lot of these pastel colors, like reds, yellows, greens, stuff like that. Okay. Just kind of see what else we got in here. And then this one goes right into the kind of the main street right here. And you can see our sign, Largo, Sanchez, Miranda. And then right where we were at, which was there, is oops, they're taking a picture. So this is actually the square right here, this whole square. So let me kind of meander back this way. So we basically went up this way, and then that was the start of the street, and that's where everybody's doing the K-pop pictures. We got pork chop buns, and then this is the actual square right here. And you can actually meander into these squares a little bit and kind of meander through. There's little alleyways all the way throughout. Let me just see here. I'm gonna go through like this. So we also have kind of exercise equipment here. This is for the kids right there. And I'm just gonna briefly, in this little alley, there's more people all the way down that way as well. And then you kind of have the artwork right here too. Largo Sanchez Miranda. That's the name of that street that we're on. And I guess there's also more K-pop images right here too. So I guess this whole street is kind of filled with them. So there's stuff all the way down that way, and then there's stuff right here too. So we are going to try to go back. I guess that's Baekhyun. Is the name of that? So as you can see, that's the name of the street. And then right here is kind of a busy street. I'll just briefly put the camera down here. This is not our target street, but it's called Kunigai. So a lot of people come into Kunigai to usually do shopping. Do that like that. And then this is a different street altogether. So Okay, so the market was basically right on the other side of this street. Give you some context of all the stuff that's around here. So this is all part of this Taipa village area. It's crowded today. Okay, so that's basically the street that we were just at, is this one right here. And I think I'm just going to go down that way briefly to try to put some context to it, and then we're going to end the video. So yeah, there's some big K-pop events, so a lot of people are coming in for that, as you can see. I'm just going to go down the alley to the this whole line looks like this line goes all the way down that way, and I guess it goes to let's see what this is for. So I guess this alley is maybe over, I don't know. Oh, it might go all the way down to that way. So I think this line goes, it's connected all the way down to that one. So yeah, some long lines today. So I guess they're promoting a lot of different, a lot of the stores are, Unsuck is the name of the musician. Korean K-pop. Just kind of come all the way to the end here. So yeah, there's people all the way throughout here too. Long lines all the way down. Okay, let's keep on going. And then we're just gonna go back to our little alley. This is also a different Largo, so it's called Meandering. And we're just gonna go down this little alley. This will make sense in a minute. Taipa village is kind of all these tiny little meandering alleys everywhere. And now we're back into our meandering alley. So now we're back into this little plaza. Back into our Largo. It's for us. And then I guess what we're gonna do from here is we'll just go back to where we started at. And then yeah, this whole line. So they're all getting photos for this spot right here. So let me go all the way down. So yeah, this one. Okay. So now we got another slice of Macau there. Dumbo. We'll end the video right there. So this is slices of Macau, and this is Taipa village, and that's Largo, Sanches, Miranda.